everyone, welcome back to my food cuisine Sizzling. Today, I am going to show you how to make delicious chicken kachori. It's a popular for this recipe. You'll need 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/4 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 cup ground chicken, 1/4 cup finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, salt to taste, oil for frying. Instructions. 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, vegetable oil, salt, cumin seeds, and fennel seeds. 1. Mix well. 2. Add water gradually and knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. 2. Cover it with a damp cloth and set it aside for 30 minutes. 3. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 3. Add the chopped onions, minced ginger, and garlic. 3. Saute until the onions are translucent. 4. Add the ground chicken, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. 4. Mix well and cook until the chicken is fully cooked. 5. Take the dough and divide it into small balls. 5. Roll each ball out into a small circle. 6. Add a spoonful of the chicken filling to the center of each circle. 6. Fold the edges over the filling to form a ball. 6. Pinch the edges together to seal the kachori. 7. Heat oil in a deep frying pan. 7. Once the oil is hot, add the kachori and fry until they're golden brown. 8. Serve hot with your favorite chutney or dip. Conclusion. And there you have it, delicious chicken kachori. It's perfect as a snack or appetizer and is sure to impress your guests. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.